To today, let's get into warming up. जाग जाइए, उठ जाइए, आ जाइए वापस वर्तमान में एंड वार्म अप शुरू करते हैं. बहुत इजी है. वार्मिंग अप इज जस्ट मूविंग ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी. जो भी पार्ट्स सोए हुए हैं उनको जगाना है. थोड़ा क्लोथ्स को लूजन अप करके. Am I audible? हाँ. Start waking up, start getting up and start warming up. कोई भी प्रकार की एक्सरसाइज के पहले हम वार्म अप करते हैं. इट इज सुपर इम्पॉर्टेंट. वार्म अप बिफोर एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. Getting into any exercise, all the body parts need to be warmed up. Hello Vasudha, hi Ganesh, hi Jigisha, hi Urmi, hi Nandakishore, hi Kanchan. All of you whose videos are on, I can see you. Kasturfui, Aditya, Aparna, good morning. Great. Twist and turn your body. Once you're done with the full body, also your neck. Very slowly and steadily move your neck up and down and then sidewards. For everyone who's joining in right now, get started with warm up. Then rotate your neck. Enjoy the silence of the morning. Enjoy the birds. Listen to the sounds while you're doing your warm up. Very good morning to all of you. Snehata, Aditya, Aparna, Ashley, Bhavna, Bijal, Ganesh, Hetal, Jigisha, Kanchan, Kasturfui, Kesavan, Lovely Kumari, Maheshwari, Meenakshi, Nandakishore, Pranav, Pravina, Prerna, hi Prerna, Priya, Samriti, Sarita, Sneha, Sunanda, Unishtha, Urmi, Vasudha, Vidya, and Vijaya. Very, very warm good morning for all of you, and also for people who are joining in right now. Dr. Vijaya, Let's warm up. Hey Pravina, hi. Make sure you have moved all your body parts. Also, Parvatasana. If you have not done, you can do with me. You have to take your hands upward and then join them in Namaskar position and stretch little bit on the top. Hold and then slowly coming back from the center. Again, one more time. Slowly taking up. Hold. Stretch your hands upwards first and then hold. Stretch it, make it straight up and hold. In all the yoga asanas, holding is very, very important part. एंड मेक श्योर अभी आप रेडी हो. अगर कोई भी पार्ट अभी भी स्टिफ है तो उसको थोड़ा मूव करके लूजन अप कर लीजिए. You can do some face exercise. Kissing is a very good facial exercise, but with your lips going up. This is an anti-aging facial exercise. And you can do it throughout the day. आप अपने बच्चों को, फैमिली मेम्बर्स को थ्रू आउट द डे आप फ्लाइंग किस भेज सकते हो. सो अगर यंग रहना है तो कंटिन्यूसली ये एक्सरसाइज करते रहिए. हेलो अर्चना, हाय बाबूलाल फुआ. So, hi Jigisha. Great. And after this, also your eyes. Move your eyes left and right, up and down, and rotate them. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. And when you're done, you can blink your eyes. Blinking is also a very good exercise. I have made a Instagram reel on this. Just blink your eyes regularly. All right, let's get started. तैयार हो जाइए. अभी हम प्राणायाम की ओर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. अपनी ब्रीदिंग पे ध्यान दीजिए. अपने फोकस को ब्रीदिंग पे लेके जाइए. गेट रिलैक्स्ड. जिनका वार्म अप हो गया है, गेट रिलैक्स्ड. लास्ट 1 मिनट फॉर एवरीवन जिनका वार्म अप चल रहा है. घाई में मत करिए, स्लोली करिए. एक एक्सरसाइज करिए बट स्लोली करिए. एंड देन गेट रिलैक्स्ड and get ready for the session. Very good. always follow your body's rhythm in all the exercise that we will do. You have to always listen to your body and slowly keep moving it forward without any haste. Super nice. So, good morning to all of you. Good morning and welcome back to a new morning. Today we are on day 12. Congratulations. 21 days में से आज हम day 12 पे है. We have completed 50% of our challenge. So, congratulations to each one of you. And are you ready? Warm up हो गया सबका? शुरू करते हैं प्राणायाम से. Focus on your normal breathing. Relax and focus on your normal breathing. Relax और normal breathing पे आ जाइए. And whenever you are ready, we can begin with Shuddhikaran. One nostril close and breathe out from another nostril. And keep cleaning immediately. As soon as you find आठ से 10 एक साइड 8 to 10 times one side and then again next side 8 to 10 times. Some of the days you will find your nose blocked. That time you can push little longer like this and then open that block slowly, doing it and it will slowly start opening. Some of the days you will find nothing in the nose. Some of the days you will find lot of mucus coming out. So it's fine. Just whatever is coming, keep cleaning it. Go on, don't stop. Next 2 minutes, we will do Shuddhikaran. I'm just seeing everyone whose videos are on. रुकिए मत, चालू रखिए. जो भी अभी ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं, हम शुद्धिकरण कर रहे हैं. Remember, there is a magic in doing the practice every day. जब आप रोज इसको प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो इसमें एक मैजिक होता है हमारे साथ. बॉडी एडवांस होते जाता है. So make sure you don't miss any of the day and don't miss the practice. Keep doing, don't stop. Keep going on. I have to just mute everyone. Keep going on. Very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to day 12. रोज हम यहाँ पे आपका अटेंडेंस ले रहे हैं, सो वी आर नोइंग हु इज कमिंग एंड हु इज मिसिंग. So make sure you don't miss out and keep going on every day. Good morning, Dr. Vijaya. Okay, last one round with Shudhikaran. And clean up your nose and relax. Relax yourself. Normal breathing पे आ जाइए. Come back to normal breathing. Wonderful. And now let's get ready for our next pranayam, Bhastrika. Sit straight. Close your eyes if you can. And then start breathing. Deep breathing in. Stretch your lungs. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. How much ever possible. Keep breathing in. And then deep breathing out. Fully take out all the air. Breathe in. And out. जब आप breathe in कर रहे हो, take in oxygen from the atmosphere. सनराइज के पहले मैक्सिमम ऑक्सीजन एंड मैक्सिमम पॉजिटिविटी आपको मिलती है वातावरण से. जितने भी लोग अभी रोज़ उठ रहे हैं उनको मालूम है, जितने भी लोग मेरे 5 AM ग्रुप में हैं उनको भी मालूम है कैसा एक फीलिंग होता है सुबह उठने से. So right now breathe in as deep as you can and take in all the oxygen and these positive ions in the body. पूरा भर लीजिए अपने ऑक्सीजन टैंक को. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Chant all the positive words that you want to take for today. Happiness, excitement, energy, success, abundance, love. जब ब्रीद इन कर रहे हैं तभी सारे पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स अंदर ब्रीद इन करिए, और जब ब्रीद आउट कर रहे हैं तो सारे नेगेटिविटी बॉडी में से ब्रीद आउट करिए. वॉट एवर यू वांट टू रिमूव आउट, गुस्सा, आलस, नेगेटिव थॉट्स, स्ट्रेस, procrastination, delay, getting late, everything that you want to remove out from your mind, from yourself. While you're breathing out, take it out. Give it out. And then breathe in the positivity. ये एक बहुत पावरफुल एक्सरसाइज है. Do it very, very nicely. Last one round. अगर विचारों में मन जा रहा है तो उनको वापस लेके आओ and come back to the breathing. Breathe in deeply, in and out fully, and then come back to normal breathing. Relax, come back to normal breathing. मन को वापस नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग पे लेके आइए. फोकस ऑन योर नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग. And get ready for the next pranayam, Kapalbhati. कपालभाति के लिए तैयार हो जाइए. Sit straight and breathe out forceful strokes from both the nostrils. दोनों नासिका से breathe out करेंगे. Breathing in will happen automatically. Just focus on breathing out. Remember, you can do at your own speed, fast, medium, slow. Don't try to copy anyone and just follow your own body's rhythm. Let's start, everyone. Remove out all the toxins that are coming out in any form. जो भी हो रहा है, don't stop. Keep going on and keep cleaning wherever required. Two more minutes we will do Kapalbhati. Don't stop. कपालभाति से सारे बॉडी के टॉक्सिन्स बाहर निकलते हैं. So, जो भी बाहर निकल रहा है निकलने दीजिए. बॉडी लेवल पे, माइंड लेवल पे, स्पिरिट लेवल पे, सारे लेवल पे शुद्धि होती है बॉडी में कपालभाति से. From your body, mind and soul, all the impurities start coming out while you're doing Kapalbhati. It is pushing it out. Also during pranayam, you will find all the three levels of your body, mind, soul coming into balance and getting into action, energy. Do keep going. Normal breathing के बाद वापस से second round शुरू करिए. How many people are finding a difference in them on medical level also? अगर उनको कोई भी टाइप की बीमारी थी तो आपके रिपोर्ट्स बेटर होते जा रहे हैं. People who are doing regularly, I'm sure आप अगर चेक कराओगे तो आपके रिपोर्ट्स पहले से बेटर मिलेंगे आपको. Keep going on. One more minute of Kapalbhati. After doing one round, we will again stop, take normal breathing and go to the next round. So last one round, everyone. Let's do. And once you're done with the last round, come back to normal breathing. Relax. Come back to normal breathing. वापस से रिलैक्स होके नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग पे आ जाइए. And get ready for अनुलोम विलोम. एक नासिका बंद करके दूसरी नासिका से ब्रीद इन करेंगे. यू कैन यूज योर थंब एंड क्लोज वन नॉस्ट्रिल and then hold and then move to the next nostril. Breathe out and breathe in. Hold, breathe out and breathe in. Hold, breathe out. Do it at your own speed and own rhythm now. क्लीनिंग करते जाइए, साफ करते जाइए एंड कंटिन्यू करते जाइए. कीप क्लीनिंग एंड कीप कंटिन्यूइंग. Very nice. All the people whose videos are on, I'm able to see you. बहुत अच्छे. Anulom Vilom helps you balance your nostrils, your energy levels, your chakras, your hormones. So do it fully. और जिन्होंने मेरा वीडियो नहीं देखा है वो पूरा वीडियो एक बार देख लीजिए. It is explaining you in detail. It helps you concentrate because you have to concentrate to go left, right, and your focus will increase. आपका concentration बढ़ेगा. रुकना नहीं है. Continue. Keep going on. Deep breathing in and close and deep breathing out. Remember, you're doing this practice for your own self. So you have to definitely make sure कि आप अपने आप को वो टाइम दे रहे हो और अपने आप के लिए आपको करना है, किसी और के लिए नहीं करना है. One more minute. Very nice. कॉफ आ रहा है तो साफ करते जाइए. As human beings, we are designed to live for 100 years. हमारा बॉडी 100 साल जीने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है. एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 100 साल. और फिर आप उसको और कितना लंबा कर सकते हो वो आप पे है. और कैसे आप वहाँ तक पहुँचो उस पे आपको प्लान करना है. अपने आप को 100 years तक पहुँचाना है. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट प्लानिंग टूवर्ड्स दैट. And that's why pranayam plays a very important role because it regularizes your breathing. जितनी आप डीप ब्रीदिंग लेंगे, स्लो ब्रीदिंग लेंगे रेगुलरली, your lifespan will start increasing. So make sure you start practicing deep breathing, slow breathing in regular day-to-day life as well. Yeah, let's get into Brahmari. Come back to normal breathing first. नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग पे आ जाइए, रिलैक्स करिए, टेक सम नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग एंड लेट्स गेट रेडी फॉर अवर नेक्स्ट प्राणायाम. Relax yourself, and after Brahmari you can keep your eyes closed and you can move into the achievement meditation, and you can stay within by keeping your eyes closed. Let's start Brahmari. Everyone who knows, please begin. And for people who are new, you can watch. You want to close your ears with your thumb. First, you listen to the instructions, otherwise, you can't listen afterwards. And then, first finger on above your eyebrows, second on your eyes, and like this, others. Once you have done this, you will breathe out with your mouth shut, and you will do a humming sound from your mouth like this. As long as your breath is that long, you will do the sound. Okay, then again breathe in, and then again one more round of the same. Let's start. Do it at least for 8 counts now. Once you're done, you can keep your hands down and keep your eyes closed. Feel the vibrations in your body. जैसे ही हो जाता है, हाथ नीचे रख के आंखें बंद ही रखिए और शरीर के अंदर के सारे तरंगों को महसूस करिए. भ्रामरी आपकी नाड़ियों को शुद्ध करने में हेल्प करता है. It helps to cleanse all your nerves. It calms your mind down. It really relaxes your mind. Okay, so now everyone close your eyes and let's get ready for the pranayam, for the meditation. अचीवमेंट मेडिटेशन के लिए तैयार हो जाइए. आंखें बंद, मन शांत. आप मेडिटेशन में स्ट्रेट बैठ सकते हो और ध्यान मुद्रा में भी बैठ सकते हो. आपकी फर्स्ट फिंगर की फर्स्ट लाइन को साइड में ऐसे प्रेस करना है एंड फेसिंग अपवर्ड्स, पुटिंग इट ऑन योर लैप्स. Let's start. Relax. Relax and calm your mind down. अभी आपके मन में और बॉडी में जो सारे विचार चल रहे हैं और जो सारे तरंग चल रहे हैं, जो सारे वाइब्रेशंस आपको फील हो रहे हैं, उन पे फोकस करिए. Feel the vibrations which you are feeling in your body right now. Now, for the next 5 minutes, till I will tell you, you keep your eyes closed and be in this meditative pose. Listen to the instructions and follow along. Focus on your breathing. अपने सांस पे ध्यान दीजिए. सांस अंदर आ रही है और बाहर जा रही है. Just check करिए. Just keep checking your breathing when it is coming in and going out. What is the speed? What is the temperature? What is the depth of your breathing? Check करिए. Are you breathing fast or slow? आपकी ब्रीदिंग फास्ट चल रही है, स्लो चल रही है, कुछ भी करना नहीं है, सिर्फ चेक करते जाइए, फोकस करते जाइए. कौन सी नासिका से सांस अंदर जा रही है, कौन सी नासिका से बाहर निकल रही है. जस्ट चेक which nostril you're breathing in, which nostril you're breathing out, left, right, or both. Become aware. Your mind is completely coming into the present moment, focusing on your breath, going deeper and deeper, getting more alert and more aware. Now, focus on all the sounds in the atmosphere. अपने आसपास की सारी आवाज़ों को सुनिए. पंखे की आवाज़, गाड़ी की आवाज़, मेरी आवाज़, पंछियों की आवाज़, सुबह सारे बर्ड्स जो गा रहे हैं उनको सुनिए. मॉर्निंग की आवाज़ को सुनिए, सुबह की आवाज़ को सुनिए. कीप लिसनिंग टू एवरी साउंड that you can listen to right now. Stay in this moment. इस पल में हर एक आवाज़ जो सुनाई दे रही है उस पर ध्यान देते जाइए, सुनते जाइए. You're getting relaxed and alert and in present. Beautiful. With this presence of mind, now let's move to our entire day. कैसा है आज का दिन आपका? Have a look. आज के दिन को पूरा देखिए. Busy day, small day, big day. कैसा है आज दिन? Regular day. Just imagine your entire day in brief. Now, pick any one task from your day that you will complete 100% in today's day. I want you to select one task. एक ऐसा टास्क सिलेक्ट करिए जो आज के दिन में आप 100% कंप्लीट करेंगे. And now plan that full task in all the details. अगर आप ये टास्क रोज़ कर रहे हो और इसको आप इमेजिन कर रहे हो तो कीप गोइंग डीपर एंड डीपर एंड उसके सारे स्टेप्स पूरी तरह और डीपर प्लान करिए। जैसे आपको रियलाइज़ होता है पिछले दिन से, आज के दिन में उसको और बेटर करते जाइए। I'm giving you 30 seconds to imagine your full task and finish planning it in all the micro steps that are required for completing this task. There are so many tasks you have to do. Pick one task for now and do this practice of focus and full 100% achievement. Once you have finished planning the whole task, imagine the task itself getting completed and imagine why is it so important for you to finish this task? How important is this task? अपना ये पूरा जो टास्क आपने आज के लिए सिलेक्ट किया है, जो टारगेट सिलेक्ट किया है, उसको इमेजिन करिए ख़त्म होते हुए और क्यों इतना ज़रूरी है, क्या इसका इम्पोर्टेंस है ये काम का। वो फीलिंग को कैप्चर करिए अपने मन में। कैप्चर दैट फीलिंग इन योर माइंड of the importance of this task getting completed. Wonderful. And now, with this feeling, let's come back to listening to the beautiful sounds around us, all the sounds around us. अपने कानों पे ध्यान दीजिए और वापस से सब आवाज़ों को सुनिए आसपास की। ये फीलिंग है जो आपने अभी क्रिएट की है, उसको लेके वापस आइए और आसपास हर एक आवाज़ में वापस से सुनते जाइए। कम बैक टू प्रेजेंट मोमेंट विद द फीलिंग दैट यू जस्ट क्रिएटेड। फोकस बिटवीन योर आईब्रोज, दो आईब्रोज के बीच में जहाँ बिंदी लगाते हैं वहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए। सी योर सेल्फ। यू कैन ऑल्सो सी योर टास्क वंस अगेन। कम बैक टू द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट। फील द रूम, जहाँ बैठे हो वो रूम को फील करिए, वातावरण को फील करिए। आप जो कुर्सी पे या जो फ्लोर पे बैठे हो वो टच को फील करिए। योर माइंड इज completely relaxed and ready for the day. You are in this moment alert, aware, awake, and completely in this presence. Get alert, aware, awake, and in action. With this, we will rub our hands, rub your hands, ऊर्जा उत्पन्न करिए, हाथों को रब करिए और अपनी हथेलियों को अपनी आँखों पे लगाइए। Keep your eyes closed. Visualize yourself. See the light. अपने माता पिता, भगवान और गुरु के दर्शन करिए और सबके स्माइलिंग फेसेस देखिए आपको आशीर्वाद देते हुए। Great. And now visualize planet Earth, पूरा planet imagine करिए and send your positive energy to the entire planet. सारे लोगों को, सारे beings को, पूरे planet को positive energy send करिए। Heal entire world. Imagine positivity coming out of you and filling up the full planet. And now imagine map of India and imagine a healthy, happy and abundant India. सब लोग healthy, happy और abundance में जा रहे हैं. May this healing reach everyone who's in need. Wonderful. With that, rub your hands again. हाथों को रब करिए वापस, आंखें बंद रखिए और अपने हाथों को अपने पूरे शरीर पे मूव करिए. Move your hands to all the body parts and give energy, give this healing energy to the full body. Your hands, your leg, your back, your shoulders, your neck, your brain, your face, all the organs. सबको ये एनर्जी दीजिए. अगर कहीं पेन है तो वहाँ पे एनर्जी दीजिए. Heal the body and feel the energy moving in your body. Beautiful. With that, you can keep your hands down. And for the next 5 seconds, just be with your own self. सिर्फ खुद के साथ रहिए. Lovely. As soon as you are ready, you can slowly open your eyes, very slowly, and just be there when you're opening your eyes. जब भी आप तैयार है, slowly, steadily, आंखें खोल के, come back, and just be there with a lovely smile. Come back. Everyone come back. Get present. Great. And now let's appreciate ourselves. Clap, 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 clap. जोर से. Energy. सबको जगा दीजिए. Yes. Great. And appreciate yourself. Congratulations, Mimansha, for completing day 12. And say this. Give yourself appreciation. Write down in the chat which is your day today. After appreciating yourself, just put it in the chat. What is your day number? So I will know who is practicing on which day. And अपना नाम जोर से बोल के अपने आप को appreciate करना है. जो आज नए आए हैं, हम खुद का नाम बोल के अपने आप को appreciate करेंगे कि मैं उठी आज सुबह, very good, congratulations, and say your name and tell yourself shabash. Wonderful, wonderful. Super nice. Everyone is on day 12. Wow. Tina, Varsha, Archana, super nice. Great. Good to know. I'm also going to open the group. There also you can write it down, which is your day today. And I want to know how many days you all are with me today. Okay, great. So let's get ready for our selfie moment. Yesterday evening, we had a very nice silence meditation, after which we really went into the silence and felt the energy rising up. And today also there's going to be some amazing meditation, I'm sure. We do the meditation every day from 6 o'clock onwards. So whoever wants to join in just the meditation also, you can come and do the meditation with us. Okay, get ready. Let's get ready. Are you ready, everybody? अभी हम एक selfie moment करेंगे. So for people who are new, just put your cameras on and let's get ready for the selfie before we leave. So I will say 1, 2, and 3. After that, you give a nice pose and we will hold the pose. 1, 2, and 3. Say ghee. Hold it. Now don't move. Say ghee. Wonderful. Just hold on. Great. बहुत अच्छे. Nice. Done. Super good. Thank you everyone. Thanks for joining in today. And I'm sure आज का दिन आपका बहुत powerful जाने वाला है. Get ready for a new day and get set. Achieve the target जो आपने imagine किया है अभी. And for all the people in the achievement gym, write down everything that you have to write in the morning itself before you go anywhere else. All the best and keep rocking. And wow, super. Viral is day 11, Varsha is day 12, Vaishali 12. सुपर नाइस. आई एम श्योर अभी ग्रुप्स भी जब खुलेंगे तभी भी आप उधर भी डालिए. दिस विल इंस्पायर एवरीवन एल्स ऑल्सो टू जॉइन इन. And it is okay if you're on day 1 or day 2 or day 3 or day 10, no problem. Now the only thing is that you want to continue from here onwards every day non-stop. We are there till 10 more days. Don't miss it out. And पूरा benefit लीजिए, completely 100% इसको अपने life में उतार दीजिए. ये 21 days challenge को 100% ले लीजिए. And what will happen after that, we will announce on the last day. But before that, I want to see everybody coming every day. Yeah, that is one ask from all of you. Okay. So all the best. Have a great day. Enjoy. And bye-bye. Thank you for joining today. काले फरीती मलिए. Bye-bye. कल मिलते हैं वापस. Love you all. Take care. Enjoy. Super nice.